Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I have a fun little Dollar Tree craft haul for you. Very short one, but I wanted to share it with you. I had a bunch of glitter paints that I bought in a kit, and one of my grandkids needed some, and they just all went home with them. I don't even remember which one. So I replaced them for $1 each, and the colors are gorgeous. I got green and red because here comes Christmas, and it won't be long. 6 months or so, 7 months will be already starting to do Christmas stuff. And then of course there's blue. So if you got red, you got blue, and you got silver, you got stuff for the 4th of July and all the patriotic holidays. And then if you got green and orange, you've got Halloween. There wasn't any black. And then we got some beautiful, really dark gold. It doesn't give a color, but it's just a real pretty gold. And then this pink. The pink is the most translucent of them. So those were all $1 a piece. And then I got some fun things. I got these piercing and scoring tool set for $1. You can't beat that. This is for my kitchen. That's not exciting. It's just a little thing to put on my mop. These little bottles. I'm a sucker for the bottles with the metal lids. And then I had 2 of these. Where'd the other one go? Oh. Don't you hate it when you just had something in your hand, you know you had it? Well, I don't know where the other one went. But it's a little palette, and there's another smaller one like it. And it just made me laugh, so I got it. Then I got Crafter's Square. This is a little utility knife. Those are nice to have. And they're sequins because, well, they're sequins. Every so often they change them up a little, and I'll buy the new ones. Then a piece of felt because, again, it's felt, and that's a real pretty purple, and it's a nice big piece for $1. I mean, that'll be more purple than I'll use for years. And then every so often I like to do things with stencils. And this one had some pretty ones. It had a bird. I don't know if you can see the bird. It's got all kinds of flowers. I guess you turn it and you can see. Let's see. There's the bird. And then it's got the different flowers. For $1, you can't really beat it. That's pretty. It says love. So, Crafter's stencil wheel. And then they had this stencil, which I thought was fun. I might use in my kitchen for some kind of project. I just thought they were so cute. You got all your kitchen things. And then this one's gorgeous with the butterflies. I mean, butterflies are just so amazing, and that looked like it'd be fun to do some projects with. So it's just a cute little bunch of stuff. I mean, I just had fun getting all this cute stuff. And I just did a Hobby Lobby haul that was pretty big, and that you've probably seen some of that in the background. But I just wanted to share this with you, just a short little video. It's only like a few minutes, but just wanted to show you what I picked up. You know, it doesn't matter if you're a starting crafter or been crafting your whole life. Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree are the places where you can get some good deals. And Dollar Tree, you don't have to wait for sales. I mean, stuff like this. I mean, $1 for a nice size bottle. And the colors are just stunning. And then, you know, they have some simple basic beads. But this type of stuff. And there was another little palette. I don't know where it went. I had another cute, it would look more like a palette than that one. And I thought I just had it in my hand. But apparently I've dropped it somewhere. That's weird because I literally just had it. But anyway, it's another one that looks even more like a palette than this one. And what fun those will be for, yeah, wood palette for making a craft project. So anyway, I'll be back soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, this is the kind of content I do, along with creating and jewelry box openings and all kinds of things like that. So I'll be back soon. Thanks so much. Bye.